I will make a short presentation of our line in order to tell you about each unit. Now the capsule production is not in process. I'm just showing you how it works. This electric cabinet regulates the heating temperature of our heated hoses. We work with agar that requires a temperature of more than plus 90 degrees Celsius. There are temperature controls for transport oil, gel, and oil that is placed inside the capsule. This is a heated tank with agitator in which we prepare the gel. All corners are rounded, ensuring easy cleaning and washing in accordance with GMP standards. I'd like to highlight that all components are made in Germany. We use 2 tanks in our encapsulator. Inside there is a special box with a double wall, where the coolant is pumped by a pump. We are open to everyone and will be happy to show you how our equipment works.